Tell
Yeah.
us about that, about receiving that and what that means, to you.
Oh, well, that was a huge honor. Donna McLeod, former representative, House Representative Donna McLeod, the first Jamaican in the House of Representatives here in Georgia, who is someone I met through media and became a very good friend. And she said to me when she called me about it, she said, "I need your name and information." And I'm like, "What are you doing? What's going on?" She's like, "Well, you're getting a proclamation." And I'm like, "For what?" I haven't. What have I done? And when she handed it to me, she said, one of the key things that she wanted to do was give the people within her community their flowers now, not later. And she just said, you're doing some great things in the community. You have a diverse selection of interviews that you